we've got some other essences in here. You'll see billy goat plum. Billy goat plum is for skin problems. It's for not liking the self. I used to have a terrible wardrobe crisis before my periods. If I was going out, just, you know, that really just before my period time, I'd probably go through about 6 different outfits before going out. So I'd call it a wardrobe crisis. Billy goat plum would be the remedy for, oh, I look terrible in this. Does it make my bum look big? That's when you want billy goat plum. Croia is for worrying. Bush fuchsia is a fabulous one for drawing both sides of the brain together. So if we need to be more focused, I'll talk about bush fuchsia. It's in several of these combinations, but it's really about bringing the 2 sides of the brain together. So you can see, again, that could be one for clumsiness. We would use it for dyslexia. And so it's a fantastic kind of getting your brain in order. If you can't think straight, bush fuchsia's the remedy. And that's very common with hormonal irregularities. 5 corners is again kind of held in, held back. We saw that earlier. Mulla mulla is for, it's for kind of overheated conditions. It's for where there's excess in the system. So it particularly suits things like endometriosis, heavy bleeds. Yeah, it's about heat in the system, about inflammation. We see it in we use it in lots of other ways. So you'll see it crop up in other combination essences. Peach flower tea tree is the essence for balancing the blood sugar. And when the blood sugar's out of order, we get mood swings. So mood swings, if that's going on, get onto woman essence, perhaps get onto peach flower tea tree on its own. But she oak is the ultimate female essence, most associated with regulating the waters of the body. We would use it in a dehydrated state. We would use it for any infertility issues, female imbalance.